Revision of Examination Council of Zambia, ECZ, paper 2, grade 12. So we're going to revise 2018, and we're going to revise all the questions in it, but for today we'll do question 1 and question 7a. So question number 1 reads, given that matrix A is 2x, 2, 3, and x, find A positive x if A is 12, meaning if the determinant of A is 12, then B, find the inverse of A. Then we also have a 7th question here. So let's go direct to the solutions of question number 1. These are matrices. How do we find the value of a rater in a matrix inside if you have been given the determinant? And also, how do we find the inverse of a matrix? Okay, so the solutions are here. So the first thing, we know how to find the determinant. We know to say to find the determinant, we have to multiply the numbers, the major diagonal minus the minor diagonal. Now we have already been given the determinant, so to find x to be easy here, we'll simply say this times this minus this times this, which will be equated to 12, which is here 2x times x minus 3 times 2 equal to 12. Then here we simplify. We're going to have 2x to the power 2 minus 3 times 2, we get x, which is equal to 12. Then like terms together, we reach up to there. And here we say 2 into 2 is actually 1. 2 into 18, it's 9. Then the square root of x, we get 3 or negative 3. 3 or negative 3. Now, the question is saying, find the positive value of x, meaning it will be positive 3. Now, how do we find the inverse? So to find the inverse, we need first to replace, we need to know these values. So here we know to say it's 3. We'll put 3 there, to be 2 times 3, that will be 6. So we're going to have 6, 2, 3, and 3. So which is this one, 6, 2, 3, and 3. Then when you're finding the inverse, you change the numbers in the major diagonal, you change the positions. Then in the minor diagonal, you change the signs. So they are both positives, they become negatives, and and here you simply switch the position. So the 3 will go up and the 6 will come down. Then we divide. We always multiply with the determinant, which is actually, it will be 1 over 12 here. That's the inverse, the determinant. So it will be 1 over 12. When you're finding the inverse, you say the 1 over the determinant, that will be the inverse. Then you multiply throughout with 1 over 12. With 1 over 12, this will be actually 3 over 12. And you divide after multiplying. It's just like a scale. After multiplying, then you divide, and you get this as an inverse.